Okay, guys, I have been telling you in most of my videos that you should learn these three things if you want to be making a good decision whenever you are trading. Okay, this will help you to be making profitable trades on daily basis. Okay, so if you understand these three things very well. Okay, yesterday night I put out a trading signal in the Telegram channel, and this actually gave us lots of profit at the end of the day. Okay, so right now we have this trend going on gainx 999. You can see how it started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, just the way we are seeing it right from here. Okay, those that are having these trading tools will have milked the market right from here, from this very point to this very end. Okay, from, sorry, let me pick this, from this very point to this very end. You can imagine this is 15 minutes time frame, so this is a cool way of analyzing the market. So what are the three things that you should look out for? I will be listing them out right now, and I will show you a good example of how you can identify them easily and put them into practice. But before I do that, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you like the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And I will also advise you to join the Telegram channel. The link will be down there in the description box below this video. Okay, if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. Okay, so quickly, let's see how we can go about it. Okay, so these are the three items which I said you should know how to identify your support, your resistance zone. Okay, your resistance zone. These two things are very, very important. Your, sorry, resistance zone, and of course the last one, which is very, very important, is your trend. Okay, of all these three, this is the most important part. The trend is more important among the three items which I have listed right here. Just like we have known, the support is always below. Here is a support, here is another support zone, but right here is a major support zone. And of course, we have resistance. Resistance is always at the top. Here is a resistance zone, here is another resistance zone, but right here is a major resistance zone. Okay, so the support zone and the resistance zone will help us to know when to go into the market and when to exit the market for a particular trend. Okay, but the trend is more important amongst these three. However, these three things work together. So right now, the market was on uptrend before, but when it got to this trend, I mean to this resistance zone, there are only two things that can happen there. Okay, it is either there will be a breakout above the resistance zone and it will continue to buy, or it will change the direction of the trend into a downtrend. But this time around, it was unable to break out above the resistance. So you can say tried it out two times, and since it's unable to break out above it, it actually changed the direction of the trend into a downtrend. That is why we are seeing this red flag. Can you see the red flags? Okay, so that is why we are seeing it, because it has changed into a downtrend, and the red flag is indicating a downtrend. And the only signal you should go for here is the sell signal. Gave us sell signal at the top right. It gave us another one at this point, and another one here, another one here, which means you can use that as an opportunity to place multiple sell order at that point. If you had done that, you would have milked the market for a very long time. This is 15-minute time frame, which means each of the candles takes 15 minutes to form. Okay, and of course, this is so amazing. You can easily use this to milk the market right from this point to the very end, which happens to be a major support zone. So this has gotten to this major support zone. It's trying to change the direction of the trend into an uptrend right now. You can see the yellow flag, which means an uptrend. However, it got to this point, which happened to be a resistance zone also, okay, although not a major resistance zone, but it is respecting it. So if it should break out below this particular, sorry, support zone, if it should break out below this particular support zone, definitely it will come to this major support zone and may likely break out from there. If it breaks out from there, it will sell more. If it does not, then it will go back up to this point and see if it can break out from this resistance zone. And once it breaks out from this resistance zone, it will go fully into an uptrend at that point. So you should watch out for that. Okay. Now let's quickly see this particular asset also. Okay. This had been on downtrend, even though the movement was somehow because there are major pullbacks in between, but it got to the support zone at this point. Tried an uptrend, was unable to go further than that, and of course, um, it came down a bit and of course tried it again, broke out from this resistance zone, and it's buying at the moment. It will be hitting the first TP right here, and of course once it gets there and if it breaks out from there, we expect it to hit the second TP at this point. Okay, these are some of the things we benefit from within the Telegram platform. Okay, we post signals like this also in the Telegram platform for those that are not having this trading tool called the 3M Trend Milka Trading Indicator, so they can still um, follow the signals within the Telegram platform and make some good, and make something reasonable out of that. Okay, and for those that are having the trading tool, the 3M Trading Indicator, they can easily generate signals on their own, just the way I am doing it right here. Okay, so that is how it works. Once you understand the strategy of trading the trend, then you will always be in profit. You are most likely to be having profitable trades on daily basis. Okay, because you will know to go into the market, you will know the right trend of the market, you will know your resistance zone, you will know your support zone, you will know your entry point and your exit point. So all these are very, very important. So guys, I will be stopping right here. If you have any other question, kindly drop your question in the comment section. And if you have a personal question, you can reach out to me via my WhatsApp. My details is in the description box below this video. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.